Now today we are going to discuss the heroic couplet, and it is also asked in a very short question or a very short question, okay, short question or very short question. What is the heroic couplet? Couplet you know very well. Couplet, that always has only two lines, okay, couplet, only two lines. And heroic, so why it is said heroic? The heroic couplet that always has only two lines, and it is always known just like as the heroic couplet, because this kind of couplet, this kind of two lines are always used in epic, and because it is used in epic, so this is why that it is called the heroic couplet, right? Two lines used in epic, and it is always rhymed, because these two lines, they are, okay, couplet, two lines are always rhymed with each other. Two lines of rhymed, and it is always written in iambic pentameter. Penta, that is 5, means 5 feet and 10 syllables. So the heroic couplet, it has two lines of rhymed iambic pentameter. The heroic couplet consists of two lines of iambic pentameter. Pentameter, that is 5 feet and 10 syllables, and those two lines rhyme each other, means rhyming together. So this is the meaning of the heroic couplet. The heroic couplet consists of two lines of iambic pentameter rhyming together. This is why that we say couplet, because they always rhyme with each other. So it means, when we say, it means that there are 5 feet in each line, right? In each line, because there are two lines, so there are 5 feet in each line, and every foot has two syllables, right? Every foot has two syllables. So now total that there are 10 syllables, because each foot has two syllables, so the total syllable will be 10 syllables. 5 feet and 10 syllables, and the first syllable is always unstressed, okay, unstressed, that is unaccented. The first syllable of the heroic couplet of the iambic pentameter is always unaccented or unstressed, and the second syllable is accented or stressed. So this kind of meter is known as heroic, because it is always used in epic. And now we can have the example of Alexander Pope. Just look at this line: we think our fathers fools. We think our fathers fools. You can give this example. If you like to give any example of the heroic couplet, or if you are asked that give an example of the heroic couplet, then you can take the help of this line composed by Alexander Pope. We think our fathers fools, so wise we grow. Our wiser sons, no doubt, will think us so. So now just have a look at the feet and syllables. There are only two lines, so you can call it, it is a heroic couplet, right? There are only two lines, that is a couplet, and grow, so. They both are rhyming together. Grow, the rhyme, and so, okay. You can look at the rhyme scheme. Grow and so means the rhymes are matching with each other. Now we think, that is how many feet are there in one line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now there are 5 feet in each line. 5 feet in each line means this is a heroic couplet, and it has been written in iambic pentameter. Pentameter, because there are 5 feet. 1 feet, that is 1 foot, second foot, third foot, 4 foot, and fifth 1 foot. So there are total 5 feet. And syllable you can see just here, that is 10 syllable. We think, okay, 2 syllable. So each, that is each foot is carrying two syllable, right? Two syllable are fa. Again two syllable thus and fools, two syllable. So each line is having 10 syllables in total, means 5 feet and 10 syllables. The heroic couplet, it was first used in England by Chaucer, and maybe that he derived it from older French verse, and later he was followed, okay, Geoffrey Chaucer, he was followed by Spenser. The Elizabethans used also, they also used it with equal skill in their poetry and in their drama also. Some like William Shakespeare, Ben Jonson, they also employed it, they also used it only to make a change in their works. Christopher Marlowe, he also adopted the heroic couplet, and it entered on a more glorious phase with Waller, with Denham. Then it was left to Dryden, Alexander Pope, and Dryden and Pope, they also used the heroic couplet for various compositions. It was used for drama, okay, we cannot say that it was only used for poetry, but it was also used for drama, for epic, for satire, and even for didactic verse. Then if we come to the romantic poets, the couplet structure now was it was completely changed. The romantics means the romantic poets or the romantic writer, they always focused at natural diction, because they were lyrical poets and they had little use for it. Byron, Shelley, Keats, Leigh Hunt, they all employed the heroic couplet in their works. But with a new freedom they used it. Even Robert Browning and William Morris, Swinburne, they also used the heroic couplet in exactly the same manner. So that was the heroic couplet, and it was used by different writers, by different poets in different era, in different way. So the heroic, what is the heroic couplet? The heroic couplet is two lines of rhymed iambic pentameter.